From vibrant cities to breathtaking natural wonders, these hidden gems are just waiting to be explored. So if you're looking for an unforgettable getaway that won't break the bank, keep watching this video, because we will show you the top 5 travel hotspots for 2025 that won't break the bank. Number 5. Chiang Mai, Thailand. Chiang Mai is a city in northern Thailand that has become increasingly popular in recent years. With its rich history, stunning temples and delicious cuisine, it's no surprise that tourists flock to this city every year. But what makes Chiang Mai truly special is its affordability. Whether you're looking for a luxurious hotel or a budget-friendly hostel, Chiang Mai has something for everyone without putting a dent in your wallet. You can visit the famous Doi Suthep temple, explore the bustling night market, or take a cooking class to learn how to make traditional Thai dishes. Plus, with its warm climate, Chiang Mai is a great destination to visit at any time of year. Number 4. Porto, Portugal. Porto is a city that has been attracting tourists from all over the world for years, and with its beautiful architecture, delicious food and wine, it's easy to see why. But what really sets Porto apart is its affordability. While it may not be as cheap as some other European destinations, it's still possible to have a fantastic time without spending a fortune. You can visit the iconic Dam Luizai Bridge, stroll down the colorful streets of Barrio Alto, or take a boat tour along the Douro River. Plus, with its mild climate, Porto is a great destination to visit at any time of year. No more Tiga, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Kuala Lumpur is the capital city of Malaysia and is known for its stunning mix of modern skyscrapers and colonial-era buildings. It's also home to a variety of affordable accommodation options, making it a great destination for budget travelers. From the world-famous Petronas Twin Towers to the serene Batur Caves, there's something for everyone in Kuala Lumpur. You can also sample the delicious local cuisine, from hawker food stalls to upscale restaurants, all without breaking the bank. Plus, with its tropical climate, Kuala Lumpur is a great destination to visit at any time of year. No. 2. Amman, Jordan. Amman is a city that's full of surprises. From its ancient ruins to its bustling souk, there's something for everyone in this historic city. And the best part is that it's very affordable. You can explore the citadel, wander through the Rainbow Street, and sample the delicious local cuisine, all without spending a fortune. Plus, with its Mediterranean climate, Amman is a great destination to visit at any time of year. No. 1. Cape Town, South Africa. Cape Town is a city that needs no introduction. From its world-famous beaches to its stunning natural beauty, there's something for everyone in this vibrant city. But what really sets Cape Town apart is its affordability. From budget-friendly hostels to cheap eats, Cape Town has something for every type of travel. You can explore the vibrant streets of Biocup, hike up Table Mountain, or take a day trip to the nearby Cape Peninsula, all without breaking the bank. Plus, with its Mediterranean climate, Cape Town is a great destination to visit at any time of year. These are just a few of the many affordable travel hotspots that won't break the bank. We hope you found this video helpful, and we encourage you to do your own research to find the perfect destination for you. No matter where you go, we know that you're sure to have an unforgettable experience. But before we wrap up this video, we want to give you some tips on how to make the most of your trip without breaking the bank. First, consider traveling during the off-season. This is usually the best way to get cheap flights and accommodation. You may also be able to find better deals on tours and activities if you travel during the shoulder season, which is the period just before or after the peak season. Next, take advantage of discounts for students and young travelers. Many attractions offer discounted tickets for students and those under a certain age, so be sure to bring your student ID or passport when you travel. There are also many websites and apps that offer discounts on tours, activities and attractions specifically for young travelers. Another tip is to look for free activities. Most cities have a variety of free activities, such as walking tours, visiting parks and museums on certain days of the week. Be sure to do your research and plan ahead, so you want to miss out on any of the best free activities your destination has to offer. It's also important to pack light. If you're traveling by plane, you may be able to save money on baggage fees by packing only a carry-on suitcase. Plus, you'll be able to move around more easily and not have to worry about checking bags when you arrive at your destination. Finally, be flexible with your plans. Sometimes being flexible can help you save a lot of money. For example, if you're open to traveling to a different destination or traveling during the off-season, you may be able to find a better deal on flights and accommodation. You may also be able to save money by booking your flight and accommodation separately instead of booking a package deal. We hope these tips will help you plan your next trip and explore the world without breaking the bank. Remember to research and plan ahead so you can make the most of your budget and have an unforgettable experience. Safe travels. And now, we want to hear from you. Which of these destinations are you most excited to visit? Or if you have any other affordable travel hotspots to recommend, please share them in the comments below. We love hearing from our viewers, and we can't wait to see your thoughts. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe for more epic stories, and check out our other videos for more travel inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.